How to connect WordPress to Google Search Console. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the Google Search Console homepage, and after you sign in with your Google account, in the upper left corner of the Search Console dashboard, click Add Property. Then you're gonna have to simply, as you can see, you'll be provided with two property type options. Select the URL prefix method here, and then enter your WordPress website domain address, and then simply click on continue. And on the next screen, in the verify ownership pop-up, scroll down to other verification methods and click on HTML tag, so right here. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply copy this code and then simply open a new browser tab or window and visit your WordPress site dashboard. And in the left side options, go to Tools, Marketing, and then click on the Traffic tab at the top. So you're gonna have to simply go here, then go to Tools, and then you're gonna have to go to Traffic. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down on the verification services section and locate the box for Google. So you're gonna have to simply look for the site verification service right here, and then simply paste the code here, and then simply click on Save Settings, and then simply return to the Google Search Console and click on Verify, and basically that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.